Out with the old and in with the new. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and with the holidays now closer than ever, has it never been a better time to buy an RC for your son, for your daughter, or for the everyday RC enthusiast in your life? And speaking of RC enthusiasts, a lot of you guys know that I am a big one. But as you guys see, this is just a small fraction of my RC collection, but you're gonna notice there's one thing missing. And that is, there is no motorcycle RCs. And why is that, you ask? Well, it's because it's hard to come by an RC motorcycle that has the 4 magic ingredients. And those 4 magic RC ingredients are performance, durability, ease of use, and affordability. This is the RC motorcycle right here that meets the 4 magic ingredients. It is an honor to present to you guys the Upriser Ducati Panigale V4 S. Guys, this is the last RC motorcycle you will ever buy, and it is the first ever RC motorcycle to receive my full stamp of approval. As you guys are soon about to see when I start rolling this bad boy, given the amount of technology that's in this RC motorcycle, you guys would expect to pay over $300, but you can get yourself the V4 S for not $400, not $300, not $200. You can get this masterpiece of RC technology for just $150. So you might be asking yourself, what does $150 get you? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. Now I want you guys to keep in mind that no RC motorcycle out there is about to do or is capable of doing what you guys are about to witness. All right, now I want you guys to look at this self-balancing, self-leveling technology. Now in traditional RC motorcycles, in order to get them balanced, in order to get them started, man, in order to even get them rolling, mind you, this is still balancing itself. With the older motorcycles, what you have to do is what we call a rolling start. Hence why it has training wheels on the side. Rolling start. And training wheel saves it. This bad boy, still balancing itself. Now with the Upriser V4 S, guys, all you got to do is hold the driver slightly by the head. The sensors in the motorcycle will actually find true center and fully balance itself. And just like magic, your bike is balanced and ready to roll. All right, guys, now this next feature is what I like to call wheelie on demand. All you got to do is grab your controller, you're gonna hit the wheelie button, the bike will automatically back up and set itself in a wheelie position. Oh, get him! Get him! There you go, ladies and gentlemen, still balancing itself. Look at this. Your bike is now in a full wheelie position. He's still balancing himself and he's ready to stunt. Yeah. Look at that. I'm balancing him, by the way. I'm doing this, guys. Look at this. In a full wheelie. What other motorcycle can do this? What other RC motorcycle can do this? This is insane. So my next question to you guys is, do you like donuts? Because I like donuts. You know what else struggles doing donuts? Yeah, traditional, old school RC motorcycles. Not the Upriser V4 S though. You do just some basic slow donuts, or you can step up your donut game, baby. Get it go, boy. You know another thing that I like, that I actually enjoy? Drifting. You know what else drifts to? Yep, you guessed it. The Upriser Ducati V4 S. Let's go do some drifting, boys. Here we go. Oh, it's drifting. And if you guys are wondering what happens when you stop moving the bike, well, Remember, this is one of the most advanced self-balancing RCs ever created. It just stays balanced, ready to go. Yeah, it backs up too. When was the last time your motorcycle did that? Unless it was a real one. Now, let's say you guys aren't in a relatively smooth surface like this one that we are here now. Well, your controller comes with a button. As you guys can see, it goes from smooth to bumpy asphalt. And you just got to flip the button there, and just like a $100,000 supercar, your Upriser V4 S will actually self-adjust its electronic suspension for a more aggressive surface. Come on, David. Chase it. Guys, the technology that's been packed into this RC motorcycle truly is next gen stuff. And the fact you can have all of this for just $150 makes this a steal of a deal. This bad boy right here is a must-have for any RC enthusiast, big or small. Now, your V4 S bike comes with a micro USB charger, which literally means you can take this bike anywhere you go. So as we charge this bike up for another video that you guys are gonna absolutely love, if you guys are interested in getting yourself a Spin Master Ducati V4 S, check the link in the description down below where you can get yourself your very own Panigale V4 RC motorcycle. This thing not only looks good going down the road, it actually looks good just being on display at your house. I can't wait to actually show this thing off and display it on my house. Like I said, guys, link in the description down below of this video. Get yourself your very own, man. It's your boy, Mr. Random.